Hey guys, today we're going over BlackFire Wet Diamond Waterless Wash Concentrate. This is an old formula, so I will be telling you the differences between the old and the new. Alright, taking a look at my vehicle, it is full of dust. I live in the desert. This is what happens every day, all day, as it sits outside. It just collects dust. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. There's no way around it, but I do a lot of rinseless washing and waterless washing to keep the dust off. Here I'm going to be using a sprayer. This is a pump sprayer, and I put about 30 ounces of liquid in here. The ratio of the old formula is 4 to 1, 4 parts water to 1 part product. So I'm doing the whole top panel at one time. It is a little bit windy, as you can see, so it benefits to do the whole panel. That way any overspray is going to get wiped and cleaned all at one time. On a side note, I usually do like to pre-rinse with the hose any of the loose dirt, but I wanted to do a real waterless wash with the BlackFire Wet Diamond. So the only thing I used the hose on was the wheels and tires, and that has already been done. Now it's super important when doing a waterless wash to be turning and lifting the towel as you're wiping. You're always looking to get a clean side. This is the most dangerous part, as you don't want to scratch the vehicle, so just use clean sides of the towels. If in doubt, switch the towel and get another one. I think it took me about 3 or 4 towels to do this whole vehicle. Once you've cleaned the area with the wet towel, you bring a dry towel and you buff. That way you get any streaks that are left over. They're not bad streaks, they're just a little bit of product, as you can see, and you're just gonna buff with a dry towel. That will take care of all of that. For those of you that live in really hot climates like I do, this is an awesome solution for you. You can just do smaller areas, spray them down, wipe them, and buff them off. Shrink the area you're working in. You won't have any water spots. It won't be drying up. This is a great alternative to foam washing or 2-bucket methods and getting water spots on your vehicle. Now guys, I want to tell you that I bought this a while back, a long while back, and I really like this product. The problem with it was, and I'm talking about the old formula that I have here, is that it was a concentrate and it was only dilutable to 4 to 1. That's terrible. That's an expensive product. Alright, now check this out. The new version of this stuff, you can dilute 48 to 1. That's 48 parts of water to 1 part product. That's 12 times more potent than this product version. That's a winner. So while using this stuff, the smell of it is awesome. It's some type of citrusy scent. I really like it. It's a clean, fresh citrus scent. Can't put my finger on it. It also leaves a super nice glossy look. It does a great job at cleaning. I had some little bits of tar kick up on the vehicle, and with a little bit of extra pressure, it came right off. It took off all the dust and dirt real nicely. Look at the shine on that. Very cool. So my first attempt was making 30 ounces of solution. I was able to do the roof, the hood, the two fenders, and the bumper. And then I was out of solution basically, down to about 5 to 8 ounces left. So what do you do when you run out? You make some more solution. I made another 30 ounces and this finished up the two sides, the rear, and the windows. No problem. Like I said before, I really like this Waterless Wash product. My only complaint before was that it wasn't very dilutable. The 4-to-1 was just killing me. The price was too much for that. But now with the new 48-to-1, boy, you better believe I'll be getting some of this. It's just a great product. I highly recommend it if you guys haven't tried it or you're looking for a waterless wash. Couple more uses you can do with this product. Quick detailer and most likely a clay lube, although I haven't tried that, but I don't think it'd be a problem at all. Don't forget that the rear is one of the dirtiest parts of the vehicle, along with the fenders that are behind each tire, so you always want to spray extra product. I changed the setting on the nozzle for a little bit harder sprayer to blow out any dust and dirt that's in the cracks here, and I just took my time. I really soaked the back. As well as adding more product back here, I constantly am switching the sides of the towel, even at a faster rate, because it is more dirty and that towel is getting dirtier by each swipe. So just flip it over a lot. It's just the back section. And here's the results. Very clean, nice gloss level. Shine is great. I'm happy with it. With everything being said and done, I highly recommend the BlackFire Wet Diamond Waterless Wash product, especially with their new version. Big dilution ratios, that's just awesome. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, hit the subscribe and like. If you didn't, tell me why in the comments below. You guys have a good day. Stay safe out there.